para sa kanilang information, ang Coast Guard ay atensya dito, Department of Transportation.
Molten means simply it is melted. It was applied when solid becomes a liquid.
Coast Guard, kadaan sila dito sa apat na to. Paminsan tatlo lang, nakabutan nila. Hindi na sila makarating ng substation. Kung saan doon ako nanggaling.
We discovered that the solution is a form of a matter or a mixture. A solution in a mixture of something is a uniform or a homogeneous mixture.